Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about 7 courses to help you earn money. Let's get started. Like, share, and subscribe. 1. Programming and Web Development. With the increasing demand for online businesses and digital presence, programming and web development skills are highly sought after. Learning languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript can lead to lucrative jobs or freelance work. 2. Digital marketing. With the rise of social media, businesses need experts who can help them promote their products or services online. Learning about SEO, PPC, email marketing, or social media marketing can open up opportunities in the digital marketing industry. 3. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design and creativity, graphic design courses can help you learn how to create visually appealing graphics, logos, and website designs. Many businesses need graphic designers to create marketing materials or website designs, making this a valuable skill set. 4. Photography and videography. If you enjoy capturing moments and have a talent for photography or videography, you can turn your passion into a source of income. Many businesses and individuals need photographers and videographers for events, advertising, or content creation. 5. Writing and content creation. Writing courses can help you hone your skills in creating engaging content, which is in high demand for businesses that need blog posts, articles, or social media updates. 6. Investing and trading. Learning about investing and trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities can lead to potential profits. While this field can be risky, taking courses and studying market trends can increase your chances of success. 7. Real estate investing. Courses on real estate investing can teach you how to identify profitable properties, negotiate deals, and manage properties. With the right knowledge, real estate investing can be a lucrative source of passive income. Keep in mind that while these courses can be a great way to learn new skills and potentially earn money, success ultimately depends on your dedication and willingness to put in the work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.